Hey Dekoni fans, today we're going to take a look at changing the ear pads on the Koss ESP95X electrostat headphones. Now while it has an exotic driver, the pad mount is deceptively simple. It's just this stretchy lip on the ear pad which gets put into this groove of the ear cup. So we're going to upgrade our pads today with the Dekoni fenestrated sheepskin. Now these have real memory foam inside and real sheepskin covering compared to the vinyl of the stock pads. It's a real noticeable upgrade. We're going to use that same stretchy lip and line it up with the ear cup. I recommend starting first at the top, where it is much easier to get at the beginning than it is later, with the headband potentially getting in the way. And you're just going to work it around the groove using your finger inside to kind of help stretch and guide, and just go all the way around the headphone. Don't worry too much if you touch the foam covering the driver. It is protecting it. The mesh will protect it pretty well though. Once you have that last bit in, perfectionism makes a big difference in the seal. Just check that it's on there and repeat the process for the other side. Thank you for watching.